insect body. The exoskeleton is segmented, allowing flexibility and mobility with maintaining strength and durability. The oriental hornet typically measures 2.5 to 3 centimeters in length, making it slightly smaller than its other species of the hornet. Despite its small size, the oriental hornet possesses a formidable hunting abilities and make a significant predators in an ecosystem. The oriental hornet displays yellow and dark brown stripes on its body, which serve as a warning to potential predators. The coloration may vary among individuals, but the overall pattern remains same in the species. The morphology of the oriental hornet is well adapted for its predatory lifestyle and social organization in colonies. Its physical adaptation for efficient flight, hunting, and defense, contributing to the success of the insect species in of oriental hornets include kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Vasipidae, genus Vespa, species Vespa orientalis. Oriental hornet found in Southeast Asia to the Middle East and North Africa. They are primarily found in forested areas and also in urban and agricultural landscape, nesting near trees, buildings, and underground burrows. Oriental hornets primarily carnivorous, preying on insects such as flies, caterpillars, and other small invertebrates. They play a crucial role in regulating the insect population, making as a successful predators in ecosystem balance. The behavior of the oriental hornet is fascinating and complex, driven by its social interactions, feeding strategies, hunting strategies, and reproductive habits. Oriental hornets are social insects living in colonies comprised of queen, workers, and drone. Queen is responsible for laying eggs and maintaining a cohesion of the colony. Workers perform many tasks such as foraging, caring for the brood, and nesting. Drones are the male hornets whose primary role is to mate with the queen during the breeding season. Within the colony, the oriental hornet communicates through chemical signals such as pheromones and physical cues. Pheromones play a crucial role in coordinating activities such as foraging, defense, and reproduction. Physical communication such as intonation and body language facilitate coordinations among colony members. Workers scout their surroundings in search of prey using visual cues and olfactory senses to detect potential targets. Once prey is detected, the workers send signals to the other members of the colony's coordinating group attack, overwhelming the prey and facilitating the attack. Oriental hornet construct elaborate nests typically made of paper-like materials obtained from wood fibers mixed with saliva. Nests are constructed in protected locations such as underground burrows, hollow trees, and man-made structures. Workers coordinate in nest construction using their mandibles to chew wood fibers and construct a nest according to the queen's specifications. Oriental hornet are defensive of their nests and will aggressively defend from threats. When the colonies receive threats, the workers emit the alarm pheromones to detect other members of the colonies and make a mobilize collective defense. Oriental hornets sting intruders repeatedly to prevent them from approaching the nest, with the venom serving as potent deterrent. Reproduction in Oriental hornet follow a seasonal pattern, with mating occurs during the warmer months. Fertilized queen overwinter to establish new colonies in the following spring, while the male's drones typically die after mating. Queen lay eggs that develop into larvae and are cared by the worker until they pupate and emerge as adult and completing their life cycle. Oriental hornets are not aggressive towards humans unless they provoked. Their stings can be painful and cause allergic reaction in sensitive individuals. In ecological importance of Oriental hornet, they play a crucial role as a predator in regulating the insect populations, such as pests that destroy the crops. They contribute to the overall health and balance of the ecosystems, as they control insect population and serving as a food source for birds and mammals.